Writing an appeal letter to the circuit court is a formal process that requires careful consideration and attention to detail. The purpose of an appeal letter is to request the court to review a decision made by a lower court, and the letter should clearly state the grounds for the appeal and the desired outcome. To begin, it is essential to understand the rules and procedures of the circuit court, including the timeframe for filing an appeal and the required format for the letter. The appeal letter should be typed on standard 8.5 by 11-inch paper, with a clear and concise heading that includes the case number, the name of the court, and the title of the case. The introduction of the letter should provide a brief overview of the case, including the decision being appealed and the reason for the appeal. This section should be concise and to the point, and should not include any emotional or inflammatory language. The body of the letter should clearly state the grounds for the appeal, including any errors of law or fact that were made by the lower court. This section should be supported by relevant case law, statutes, or other legal authority, and should provide a clear and logical argument for why the decision should be overturned. The conclusion of the letter should summarize the main points and reiterate the request for the court to review the decision. The letter should end with a professional closing, such as a statement expressing appreciation for the court's time and consideration. Throughout the letter, it is essential to maintain a professional tone and avoid using emotional or confrontational language. The letter should be well organized, easy to follow, and free of grammatical and spelling errors. In terms of practical examples, a successful appeal letter might include a clear and concise statement of the issue on appeal, such as the lower court's failure to consider relevant evidence or its misapplication of the law. The letter might also include a discussion of relevant case law or statutes that support the appeal, as well as a statement of the desired outcome, such as a reversal of the lower court's decision. Best practices for writing an appeal letter include carefully reviewing the rules and procedures of the circuit court, using clear and concise language, and avoiding emotional or inflammatory language. It is also essential to carefully proofread the letter for grammatical and spelling errors, and to have the letter reviewed by an attorney or other qualified professional before filing it with the court. By following these steps and guidelines, individuals can write a clear and effective appeal letter to the circuit court and increase their chances of a successful outcome.